In this video I'm going to show you how to create and add NGL link to your Instagram story to be able to ask anonymous questions on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your App Store and there in search box type in NGL and hit search, and now there hit on that app and install NGL app first and then hit open. Now once you are on NGL app, hit on get questions, and there first you have to create your NGL account. There you can enter your Instagram username and after that hit done. Wait for a couple of seconds until your link is ready, and now you can copy link, so hit copy link first and then hit share. Now hit on next step, next step, next step and share on Instagram to open up Instagram story editor, and now all you have to do is click on stickers icon and select link sticker here, and in the URL field you need to enter URL that you have just copied, so hit paste, hit done, and now you need to replace that link sticker with the sticker that was here before. Like that, you can change its size and place it here just above the arrows, and basically that's it. Your story is ready. It says send me anonymous messages, and now you can share your story, and if somebody hit on that link, that person will be able to ask you anonymous question on Instagram. That's how it works. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.